birds that eat truffles. Now, we all know that truffles are a very expensive food that are eaten by people around the world, and that there are fungus that are dug up from under the ground next to the host tree. And we often use dogs to find the fungi because they actually have a particular smell. Now, truffles are a group of fungus of which there are many hundreds of species, and not all of them are the sort of culinary delights that humans like. And some mammals eat truffles from under the ground, but we've recently discovered that in South America, there's a group of birds that like eating truffles. Now, they're a strange group of South American birds. One of the species is called the wet-wet, which is spelt H-U-E-T, H-U-E-T. It's a Spanish word. And they're part of a group of birds that are largely, that have weak flight. They're largely ground-dwelling. They look a bit like a blackbird, if you like, but they're a group of birds that scientists have now discovered that they eat truffles, or at least they eat the fungi that grow under the ground around certain trees. Now, the fungi work in cooperation with the tree to give the tree various nutrients, and of course the tree supports the fungi which is growing on the roots. Now we find out that the birds come along and eat the truffles, and then they spread in their droppings the fungi around the forest. So in fact you have the bird, the fungus and the tree all dependent on one another to maintain their life cycles. So fascinatingly, we have birds that like truffles. I think that's a great story out of South America.